Hi friends, this is CA Hani Mehtani and I'm back with a new video on how to file UBO form for the Abu Dhabi Authority. In my earlier video, I have shown you that what is UBO, what is the requirements of UBO, what is UBO register, how to file the UBO register with the details, example of the UBO. So let's start in this video how to file the Abu Dhabi UBO form. As you all know that it is mandatory to register to give the details for the UBO for each and every authority within the time frame provided by the different authorities as per them. So let's start. For Abu Dhabi mainland, you have to go to the Abu Dhabi Business Center and there you have to log in with the credentials provided to you by the government, by the regulatory authority. Once you log into the Abu Dhabi Business Center, you have gone to the next page where the details are shown, that issued license page on the right hand side. If your license is not not linked with the portal, first you have to link your license with the portal. Then only you can go to the issued license. So after linking your license with the portal, you have to click on the issued license. Then after clicking on the issued license, you will see the details on the downside with the details of your licenses. On the right hand side, there is a button add-on. You have to click on the add-on button. After clicking on the add-on button, you will see the true beneficiary field. You have to select the true beneficiary field, then the details will come to be filled of the UBO. So what are the details are required to be filled in that form is this: name of beneficiary owner in Arabic and English, nationality, date of birth, place of birth, gender, type of Emirates ID document, whether it is Emirates ID or passport, you have to put the details of that, identity document number, issued date, expiry date, ratio of ownership, residential address from where the notices can be sent, name of employer entity, address of the employer entity, date when the beneficial owner become linked with the legal person, representative capacity, number of other licenses beneficiary owner owns, legal representative ID, legal representative name in Arabic and English, legal representative nationality, legal representative address. After filling all the details related to UBO, you have to fill the details related to the directors or members of the company in the next step. Once you fill the same details of the directors and members, you have to click on the submit button. Then your UBO form is submitted. This is the details of the Abu Dhabi UBO form. Hope my video has satisfied you and clarified the details how to file the Abu Dhabi UBO form. We will meet you in the next video that how to file the UBO form for the Dubai Economic Department. Till then, stay safe and be happy. Bye.